let's see how to rotate a Microsoft Word document. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, unfortunately, you wouldn't be able to rotate your document exactly into how many degrees that you want. However, what you can do is you can change the layout of your document. So normally, our document is in portrait mode. And Microsoft Word has the option to change the layout of your document into landscape mode. And to do that, simply click on Layout. And right here on Page Orientation, you can select Landscape. And as you can see, that will change your document into a landscape orientation. You can do a lot of this, or you can play with these options by opening the entire window right here. And you can also select particular pages where you only want, for example, one page to be landscape and the rest of the document to be portrait by selecting or this point forward right here. And that is how you can rotate a Microsoft Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.